Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make ElevenLabs talk faster. So all you have to do is open elevenlabs.io website and then sign in with your account. Click on text to speech to open this page. Once this page has been opened, it is asking me to start typing here, or you can paste any text you want to turn into lifelike speech. So I have generated some sentences from ChatGPT. Now I'm gonna paste it just right here. Subscribe to my channel for unique and high quality content. To make it faster, then all you have to do is tweak down the stability and similarity. You have to set both of these knobs to above 80%. So similarity above 80. Now both of them are above 80 now. Then what I will do, I will just click on generate speed.
Subscribe to my channel for unique and high quality content you won't find elsewhere. Be part of a growing and engaging community of like-minded individuals. Get regular updates with fresh and exciting videos straight to your feed. Your support helps.
As you can see, there are no spaces and no pauses between the sentences. The narrator doesn't stop to breathe or anything else. It is narrating all the text in a single breath. So that's how you can make ElevenLabs talk faster. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.